I am. Oh Lord, give me kindness for the people I meet. I am. Oh Lord, give me patience when they step on my feet. I am. And when you see me slip and fall, help my spirit hear you call. I am. Oh Lord, make me humble for the times I am proud. I am. But Lord, give me light to shine out in a crowd. I am. Turn my blindness into sight. Fill me with your holy light. I am. Oh Lord, when I'm lonely, send me someone to love. I am. And Lord, when I worry, give me peace from above. I am. Stay close so you can comfort me and always be my company. For my deep injuries, I am. And Lord, give me faith so I'll always believe. I am. Only you can fill my needs. Give me joy while I believe. And teach me to have